Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video, John actually learns shooting 4x5s on large format for the first time ever. Whoops. Okay, so our friend Alex, who, if you didn't see the tintype video, I was just checking it out. He's kind of like the master of photography in my small circle of friends / photographer friends. He works at a camera shop and knows, by and large, the most out of anyone. He has shot tons of 4x5, owns a variety of different 4x5 cameras. So he came over to basically teach John how to shoot it and kind of just be like a helping hand or teacher on hand to make sure John is correctly doing it. We've been really interested in shooting 4x5 for probably like the last couple months now, just given how big of resolution you get out of the negative. But I think there's a lot of things that you can kind of fumble while you're shooting or getting ready that made it kind of intimidating to get into until Alex was there. They shot the cameras on a Wista 4.5D. I believe that's right. With two Nikkor, I think it's Nikkor lenses, a 210 and a 135, both 5.6. John shot HP5, black and white as always, in our home studio of one of our friends. Okay, so John pretty much wrapped up shooting his 4x5. He shot 6 sheets in total. He then transitioned to shooting his Bronica GS1 to shoot some medium format shots, just to kind of take advantage of having a model in our newfound studio space. Okay, so touching base on the photos, my favorite photo that John took was of her actually in our backyard. He placed her in front of this fence with a house in the background with some power lines and lots of foliage in the foreground. I think the photo altogether is just not only really sharp, but has a lot of things going on, a lot of detail-oriented small things. And not to understate the sharpness. The plants in the foreground are sharp. She's obviously really sharp as the subject. The siding of the house in the background is tack sharp as well.
So what happened?
Hold on.
What video are we doing? Oh shit, can this thing hear us?
Yeah.
Wow. What is it hooked up to?
This thing.
Oh shit. Make sure the questions are thorough.
Okay, of all the large format photos, which one was your favorite and why?
I think the one where we took her like in the background and we shot her like right in front of the house with like the fence like directly behind her. That was pretty tight, and like the grass and shit too. And like tilting and shifting is like super crazy with large format. So honestly, with large format, I think I'm gonna take a step back and like learn more shit about it, because I don't know everything, and I feel like if I'm really gonna get into that camera, I need to like really figure it out. Really figure it out.
Okay, do you have anything else to say?
Don't forget that I'm a noob and I'm still learning. Peace.
Okay, you heard it here first from John. He's definitely still learning, so don't be too critical of the shots. Either way, I think that they came out pretty good, all things considered. Shooting large format for the first time, getting 6 exposures that actually came out was a feat in and of itself. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're coming out with a lot more interesting content. Some studio portraits in our new studio. I'm going to Montana for my friend's wedding, so I'm going to take some photos there. Another affordable cameras video, this one about 35mm. I know you guys loved the medium format one. So yeah, stay on the lookout. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I upload every Sunday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And with that, I think I'm out. Peace out.